Your Place Inside and Out is sponsored by HB Home Service Team.
We always love a good home improvement tip. And this week on Your Place Inside and Out, the home tip is focusing on the importance of scheduling an air duct cleaning. This process involves using professional tools to get rid of all the dirt, the debris, and the dust that's built up inside your ductwork. Your ducts play an important role in the home as they circulate air from your heating and cooling systems to all of your rooms to keep you comfortable. Cleaning them also improves the indoor air quality, it eliminates odors, boosts your unit's efficiency, and so much more. If you need a hand when it comes to improving your home, we have pros here to help.
Trust the HB Home Service Team for all your plumbing and HVAC needs. From protecting your home systems with a maintenance agreement to the peace of mind knowing we're available 24/7, 365, the HB Home Service Team is just a phone call away. Home serviced better since 1914.